Hello everyone, we are Ben, Francesco and Rana, the group number 4 of the Laboratory of Smart Object. We started from the idea of offering each of us 3 cylinders and then choosing the best ones for delivery. So we started to study 9 different cylinders, and after comparing ourselves with each other, we came to the conclusion of using a cardboard, a polystyrene cylinder and a chocolate one. All of these have different characteristics in terms of size and properties. We began to study these 3 cylinders chosen in addition to the technical characteristics such as size, material, color and texture, and then we start to study their potential of interaction, realizing how each of them has different types of characteristics. After this initial analysis, we focused on the essence of the delivery. For this reason, we tried to understand which of 3 cylinders could have more appropriate use to where our idea wanted to go. To do this, we went to analyze the primary functions of these elements. We realized how the cardboard cylinder had primary functions more suited to our idea, including the fact of being able to store objects, but also the possibility of being able to insert sensors or actuators in an easier and more elegant way. From this point of view, the polystyrene and chocolate cylinders did not guarantee these characteristics. The first one because being full and difficult to work. The use of sensor is complicated even if it's offered some interesting characteristics such as its versatility and lightness. The other because of its material and its high fragility made it impossible to use our sensors. To try to create a prototype that was suitable for our idea, we started to creating the personas referred to them. We created 3 personas, coherent with the cylinder and different from each other. At this point, we made the decision to use the cardboard cylinder with the persona made for it, Kevin, to create a prototype not only inherent to our initial idea, but also to the dedicated personas. We created a customer journey through which we wanted to be reconstruct Kevin's need for our prototype. The prototype is made up of several elements studied during the lessons and some that we tried to tackle independently. The basic of our idea is to use the audible and visual alarm for when our cylinder is opened, so that we can always check that Kevin's objects are safe inside the cylinder and that therefore his roommates couldn't get him from him without him knowing. For this reason, we have used LEDs for the visual part and buzzers to create the sounds alarm. We then inserted some LEDs, the buzzer and photoresistor inside the cylinder, connecting them to the breadboard through the female to male DuPont wire, connecting the photoresistor to the 5V port and one of the analog parts, while the buzzer and the LEDs through 10K resistor and a breadboard jumper were connected to the digital port of our Arduino. Therefore, having created to the circuit, we moved to the program in which have through various commands set that if the photosensor inside the cylinder exceeds a quantity of light equal to 1000, it should have activated the LEDs with a delay of 60, and in the same way sound with the same delay for the buzzer, creating a sort of alarm. While if the photosensor registers a value below 1000, the latter does not activate the circuit.